I'm here on the bottom of Apparition Hill and it's overwhelming. Look, it's around 4 o'clock and look at all these people here. It's amazing to see. Never saw so many people around here. It's the 41st birthday of the beginning of the apparition here in Medjugorje. 41 years ago, yeah, it started. And let's take a bit further up the road, how it's going up there. This is direction Apparition Hill. The procession should start at 4:30 up on Apparition Hill. And let's see how things are going. Let's go together, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, give a like. I would be very grateful like that you help me to make the beauty of Medjugorje known around the world. Let's do that together. And you see, people are celebrating Our Lady. They came from around the world. I met Ukrainian people, I met Italian people, Colombian people, German people are here. From all over the world, Spanish people. And this cool priest does good as it's enormously hot. You can see you have people from Romania as well. Full house. And there comes the procession. There is the procession.